Let me walk you through the tutorial on how you can verify any link. I just want to make a short video of this, and maybe if I have enough time, I will now make a separate video on how to verify links. So if you want to verify any link being sent to you, this is the way to do that. When you come into your WhatsApp and then you find that link that you want to verify if it's safe or not, you come to that very link and then you press on it to hold in order to copy the link. And then when you come over here, you paste it and then you press the analyzing button to analyze and see if the link is safe or not. So here is our result. So here is the result. You see, this shows that it has been identified as a malicious site. So this link is not safe. This web link is not safe. So when you find something of such, you verify before you click the link to see what is it. Let me try another link one more time. Here's another link that I want to copy and try. Let me try another one to confirm. Alright, this is safe. This very link is safe. So when you find something like this, then you can go for it. Alright, so that is it. That is the simplest way of verifying it. If you want more details way of verifying any link being sent to you on WhatsApp, maybe directly or in any group, please, I want you to leave in the comment section if you want me to make a video on that. You want me to make a detailed video on how to verify a link.